So we'll start by having a look at the jaws. They've been very angled and chewed up, look. They're going to need knocking round. The top's been banged over. This one's really been abused. The jaws, oh, look at the wobble in them. Okay, now there's more banging and pitting to here. I'm going to have damage on the slide. Damage on the back of it. Damage down the bottom, everywhere. Maybe this got caught in someone's wheel and was dragged about 100. I don't know. This is very knocked about, this one. Right, well, we'll see what we can do anyway. First thing, get the pin out. Nope, first thing, pin's frozen. Gonna use this new man oil stuff. Give it a spray. It really is good. This sits for about a minute after I've sprayed it. So I'll give it a good few squirts, leave it a minute. Amazingly, it's only a minute. Start rocking that screwdriver backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. And miracle among miracles, it starts going round. But that's all it does. It just starts going round. It doesn't come out. A lot of tapping on the workbench and tapping it on the anvil, new anvil. And eventually I'll get it out enough to get a pair of mole grips on it and pull it out. Bit of light angle grinder action now, just to take those knocks and things out of the slide, or as many as possible. It really is just a quick light pass with the angle grinder. You don't want to push too hard, it'll do too much damage to this. Over to the fibre wheel now. Just get a light rub against the fibre wheel. It's starting to come up lovely and shiny. And onto the polisher. Nice bit of polishing with the black. And then give it a buff. So now it's time to look again at what it looked like before. Mangled up top jaw and bottom jaw. Weren't too good looking. And what it looks like now. Okay, so it's nice and shiny all over now. Got rid of virtually all the pitting. And the jaws are nice and straight again. There's a little ding here and there that you can hardly see, but it's straight and they close and they touch together. There's a tiny little mark there, but there we are. It's nice, smooth all round, lovely. Got rid of this here where it was dented. That's all smooth now, and it's made by Foreign, good German brand. It's nice and heavy and it feels good in the hand. Well, there's a link down below to the Prostate Cancer UK if you want to donate, and bye for now.